Hello friends, this is Anand. Welcome to my channel Anybody Can Do. In this video, I am going to discuss a question from GATE CS branch year 2008 for 1 mark. The breadth first search algorithm has been implemented using the queue data structure. One possible order of visiting the nodes of the following graph is. So in this question, they have given the four options, out of which one is the perfect possible order for visiting the nodes, which will have the concept of breadth first search. So before going to solve this, we should know what is breadth first search algorithm. So in breadth first search is an algorithm for traversing or searching tree or graph data structure. It starts at the tree root or some arbitrary node of a graph, sometimes referred to as a search key, and explores all the neighbors node at the present depth prior to moving on the nodes at the next depth level. Okay, so in this, first we will just see the example. So here you can see the example order in which the nodes are expanded. So here this is the, we can say, the tree root, which is 1, and in the breadth first search, what basically we are doing, we are or we visit or we explore all the neighbors node at the present depth prior to moving on to the nodes at the next depth level. So one's neighbors are 2, 3, and 4. So when we are starting from 1, first we have to visit all the neighbors. So see, one's neighbor is 2, then one's neighbor is 3, and then one's neighbor is 4. So first we need to visit 2, 3, and 4. Once we visited or cover this level, then next we need to go to the next level. So first we have visited 2, then we have to visit 2's neighbor, which is 5 and 6. Once we visited 2's neighbor, then we need to visit the 3 neighbor. In this case, there is no neighbor of 3. Then we need to visit the 4 neighbors, which is 7 and 8. Once we cover this particular level, we move to the next level. Next, we need to cover all the neighbors of 5, which is 9 and 10 in this case. Then there are no neighbors of 6. Then 7 neighbors are 11 and 12, and at the end there are no neighbors of 8. So this is the simple breadth search algorithm. The important is what, explore, or we need to find all the neighbors node at the present depth prior to moving on to the nodes at the next depth level. So the question in this question, what they have asked, the breadth first search algorithm has been implemented using the queue data structure. So queue, we know that first in first out. One possible order of visiting the nodes of the following graph is, so it means out of 4, 1 only correct and 3 are wrong. So what we will try to do in this question, we will try to prove the wrong thing, so that we will get automatically the correct thing. Okay, so first we will observe the M, the option 1, which is A, M. So we are starting from M. Okay, so which are the neighbors of M? So M neighbors are N, then Q, and then R. Okay, these are the neighbors of M. But what in option A is there? We are starting from M, then we are visiting the first neighbor N, and then we are visiting the neighbors and neighbors. So actually option A is wrong. This is not the breadth first search algorithm. Are you getting? In breadth first search algorithm, what we need to do, we are starting from this node, okay, which is M. Then we need to visit all the neighbor first. So N is first neighbor, perfect. Then we need to visit either Q or either R. But in this option, what is happening? We are starting from M, then we are visiting the neighbor which is N, and then we are visiting neighbors of neighbor which is O. That's why option A is wrong. Okay, so option A is not the correct answer. Okay, option A is not the correct answer. Now we will investigate the option B. So here we are starting from node n. Okay, so first we'll try to visit all the neighbors. So q is a neighbor, okay, no problem. Then m is also a neighbor, no problem. Then p. So see, before visiting to the p, we must visit o. Because of this thing, the b option is also not the correct. Okay, why b option is not correct? First we need to visit all the neighbors. So we are starting from n, so we are visiting to the q, then we are visiting to m, then we must visit o, but instead of visiting o, it is visiting p. That's why option b is wrong. So option a and option b is wrong. Okay, so these are not the correct answer for this question. Let us investigate the option c, which is we are starting from q. So when we are starting from q, we are visiting the first neighbor, which is m, then we are visiting the second neighbor, which is n, then we are visiting the third neighbor, which is p. Till now this is the correct. So we have visited all the neighbors. Now we are going to the next level. So while going to the next level, so we have visited the which node first? We have visited the m node first, so we need to cover this node first. So we are covering that node r. Once we visited r, then the last node, which is nothing but the o. Okay, so that also we have to go from n to o, not p to o, because we are visiting n first. Okay, we are visiting the n first, then we are visiting n to o. So correct option for this question is option c. Okay, so correct option is what? Option c. We will just evaluate the option d also. So we know that option a is wrong, option b is wrong, option c is correct. Now we will investigate the option d also for the practice purpose. So first we are starting from this node, okay, which is nothing but q. We are visiting to m, then we are visiting to n, then we are visiting p. Till now this is the perfect one, but after visiting to the p, now we are going for the next level. So in that level they are visiting to o, because this is not possible in breadth first search algorithm. That's why option d is also wrong. So to correct answer is what? Q, m, n, p. Okay, then the next m neighbor we have to visit, because we are visiting the first m. That's why we need to find the m neighbor. So m's neighbor, which is nothing but r in this question, and then we need to visit n neighbor, which is o. So correct answer for this question is option c, q, m, n, p, r, o. That's it. Thank you all. See you in the next video. Till then, bye. Take care.